Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. If you haven't subscribed to my channel till yet, please subscribe and click the bell icon. We have covered so many videos related to SQL, Python, C Sharp. See, watch our videos. Go to our channel, check out the playlist. So we have started SQL videos and also now SQL problem solving videos. Lead code we are using. In lead code, we have one study plan called Top SQL 50. So we will be having 50 SQL problems. We are going to solve all these problems. We have already covered 47 videos in this series. Now we are in the 48th video. We are going to solve 48th problem. Group sold products by the date. We have to group the sold products by the date. So 1487 is a problem number. In lead code, we will have so many number of problems. Each problem having some ID. The Let's see the schema first and then understand the problem statement, then see the query how we can write this. Okay, so here is the table activities. So column name in this activity table we have is sell date, at what time it is sold, and next product with which product is sold at what date, kind of thing. So primary key here is no primary key, there is no unique value, so any item can be sold any time, like that. Okay, it can be sold in the market. So write a solution to find for each date the number of different products sold and their number names. Find for each date the number of different items sold and their names. At one particular date, how many products have sold and name of those products they want to print. Okay, they're asking us to print. Okay, the sold product names for each date should be ordered lexicographically. That is, should be an order with a name. Okay, ascending order. Okay, return the result table in order with sell date. Order with sell date they want to do it last. So let's see this with an example so that we'll go to understand better. So here the sell date is there. Some product names are there. Some mask, basketball, Bible, pencil. So output you can see for the particular date. If it is 30 is the date we have a headphone, and also basketball in the same date, and t-shirt is also in the same date. The three products sold products are three. In first date we have pencil and then Bible, so two things are there in the next date. And in two, mask two times is marks as as we told, like there is no such primary kind of things. The date and the item sold can be repeated. Here mask is not number sold of items, the same item has sold now, so number will be only one, and the item is also only mask. So this is how we have to do. There should not be a repetition of these combinations likewise. So this is a very also simple problem. If you understand, it will be very simple. So let's see how we can solve this in a query way. Select. So what the things they have to select is, one is sell date. Sell date, they want at what date they have sold. Next number, right? Count of that thing we have they want as num sold. And next, what I have seen here, products, right? So next, as products, what they want as products is all from which table? Activities table. Other things they're asking us, like group with and order by. Sell date only they are asking to group by order by. So here the missing parts are, we have to get sold is nothing but what are the product numbers, right? So how many products, distinct products, that to be not in. If the mask we have seen like three times, but we should not get that two times. So only one number is there if you see in the test case. So mask is only one item even if it is two times sold. So distinct of products has num sold, and then the same distinct of products. But we have to do here is not a count but concatenate, like comma products we should get, right? That is, we call this as a group concatenate. Okay, group concat. Let me have this into uppercase. group underscore concat. Group concat of distinct product as products. Okay, it will concat with comma only. Okay, as products and from activities. And so I hope this will work. I'm just running this. Yeah, it's accepted. You can see all this concatenated, and the sold number is also came because we have written count of distinct products. Hope you have understood this problem. If you have any doubts regarding this, let me know in the comment section. I hope the last problems are very simple to understand and easy to solve. If you have any other methods to solve this particular problem, let me know in the comment section. That will definitely help the viewers and me to understand the concept better. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.